Hello guys, what's up? Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna teach you how can we download iPhone ringtones for free without paying for an iTunes. So what we need is phone. I have here my cousin's phone, an iPhone 4S. Since my phone is recording right there, I use it for recording. Also need a cable, and our PC or any Macs. So to download ringtones from our PC is we need MP3 to M4R converter. So this one, I'll put the link on the description down below. And we also need iTunes. If we want to download from YouTube, we need the YouTube and a YouTube to MP3 converter. So we need to copy the link of the video on YouTube and then copy and then paste it on our YouTube to MP3 converter. So I'll put the link on the description down below for the YouTube to MP3 converter. So if you want, then moving on. So we're now in our MP3 to M4R converter. You can also download from using URL, Dropbox, or what else. So we're gonna open files, and then this one is my MP3. It is MP3 the ringtone one. So you can see it's downloading. So after downloading, it's now ready. Then we go to the third step, convert it. It's now converting. After converting, and we need to press, we're gonna click download. So after that, we'll start download. Then after the download, we go to iTunes, then to Tones, and then we open the file, and this one is the file. It's now converted to M4R for our iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna drag it to iTunes, to Tones and iTunes. So once we drag it, it's there. Then we go to our phone, which is right here. And then we go to Tones, and we make sure that we the sync tones is enabled, or like we check mark on it. After that, we click sync. So after we click sync, the ringtone will now go to your phone, and that's how you download ringtones for free. So after we sync our phone to iTunes, we're gonna unplug our phone, and we go to settings, and we're gonna go to settings and sounds. So we go to ringtone. You can see there's a ringtone in there. We're gonna select. This one is the now it's now on your phone, and you can set out your ringtone. So that's how you download iPhone ringtones for free to your phone. I also have this one. So that's all. So hope you guys like the video. Hit like and subscribe, and if you have show your thoughts in the comments down below. Peace out.